Hello, this is Rose Monica. Welcome to our mini lesson. Here, I'm going to be talking to you about area maths. That is 3 box plus an extension problem. The first thing you have to understand is how to read in an area tile. For this lesson, we will be working with 3 types of figures. This is the first one, the second, and the third one. The first one is 1 by 1, as you can see here. It's a little 1 by 1 little square. The second one will be x, the length, and the width will be 1. The third one will be x by x. So, we know the area of this figure will be the length times the width. So 1 times 1 is 1. And x times 1 will be x. So this area here is equal to x. And this is an x squared, because x times x is x squared. So these are the 3 basic shapes that you are going to be working with here. And I'm going to show you how to use them to multiply polynomials. Let's go to the next box. Example 2, okay? Let's do. So here's the box number 2. We are going to multiply using the area maths. I have to create x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 1. So, as we learned in the box number 1, x look like this. Let's show you here. It's my x, and 2 I can write as 1 plus 1. Okay, so this one represent x plus 2. Let's also represent x plus 1 here in the top. So let's put x here and a little box here to represent 1. Okay, you know, to multiply, we need to here multiply the length times the width. So let's do it together. X times x will be x squared, because you know here is the length, here the width is equal to 1. Here is 1, equal. There is 1. So x times 1 will be x. 1 times x, here we have x. 1 times x will be another x. Okay, now the same here. I need to multiply the length times the width. So 1 times 1 will be another little box here equal to 1, and another one here. Okay, so just look to this picture. You can see that I have x squared 1, 2, 3 plus 3x 1, 2 plus 2. So this is the solution for these 2 polynomials, in this case binomials. Okay, let's go ahead. You try here. So please give yourself a time to try and pause the video and please try it. Okay, hopefully you got the right answer. If you didn't, I will show you how to solve it. As we did in the last problem, here we can represent x, the little box here, the length equal to x, the width 1, and you can represent one box here, another one, another one. So 3. Okay, 1, 1, 1 by 1. And here in the top, we can represent OX here, and just 2 box, 1 by 1, 2 little square. Okay, let's do the multiplication. The length times the width. So 1 times x will be x 1. Oops. Okay, don't forget it. Sorry. You know it's better when you draw correctly. So let's continue here. First, we need to do x times x. Sorry about that. Will be x squared. So now we have x times 1 will be x. And then x times 1 will be x here as well. Okay, now we have 1 times x will be x. 1 times x, another x here. And another x here. Okay, because 1 times x. So now we need to do is 1 times 1. We have 1 little square here, another one here, and another one here. The same for this one. 1 times 1 is 1. Another one here, another one here. So 1. Let's touch this. Okay. Okay. So just look into this picture. You can count how many square we have here inside. You have x squared. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5x. Let's see how many units square we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. So that is the solution. So let's continue. Box number 4. Sorry about that. Okay. So box number 4. Let's do. Sorry, I will push it here a little fast again. Is x times minus 2 multiplied by x plus 3. So let's do this multiplication here. Okay, so forget about it, please. Let's see this multiplication here. I have x minus 2 times x plus 3. So here's like a little extension, and I have changed the sign. As you can see, there is a negative sign here. So we usually do the same process, but here, as I change the sign, we need to understand that the color box will change. Let's put negative size as in red color box. Okay, so let's start here. Will be the same. We represent OX as this guy here. Okay, where is 1? Oops, and x. And you represent the number 1 here. But as we have 2, let's put another 1. But now, because it's negative, we need to color the box. Red color here, as you can see. Okay, in the top, we will do the same. Let's do here. I have this x and this 3 box represent the 3. So x plus 3. So let's do the multiplication here. So x times x, you already know, is x squared. X times 1 will be x. X times 1 will be another x here. X times 1 will be another x. And here, I pay attention because I have now negative 1 times x. What should be? Negative x. So I need to color red this box here. The same for here. Okay. And here, I have negative 1 times negative positive 1. So it will be negative 3 times, okay? Because negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 1, it will be another one here. So let's do 3 times this line here. The same here. Negative 1 times negative positive 1 will be negative. So here again, this guy come out here and here. So now let's do what we have here. Well, as you can see here is a negative x plus a positive x. So this guy will cancel out. And this guy also you cancel out here. Okay, so what we have left is x squared plus x minus 6. It's minus 6 because now we have both box here red color. Okay, thank you guys. I will explore more of this in class. So see you soon. Thank you for your patience today.